In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change event name in Calendly. Calendly is a powerful scheduling tool that helps streamline the process of booking meetings and events. Whether you're organizing calls, interviews, or client consultations, keeping your event names clear and accurate is key to maintaining a professional and organized calendar. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process of renaming an event in Calendly so you can make adjustments quickly whenever needed. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. First, you'll want to log in to your Calendly account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your homepage. This is where you'll find a list of all your scheduled events. Think of it as your central hub for managing everything you've set up in Calendly. Next, take a look at the list of events and locate the specific one you'd like to rename. It's important to make sure you're selecting the correct event so that the changes apply to the right meeting or appointment. Once you've found the event, click on it to open up its options. After you do this, a gear icon will appear next to the event. This icon gives you access to additional settings. Now, go ahead and click on the gear icon. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options for managing the event. From this menu, select the Edit option. Choosing this will open a panel on the right-hand side of your screen where you can make changes to the event details. In this panel, look for the field labeled Event Name. It should be easy to spot, as it's one of the first details displayed in this section. Click into the Event Name field so you can start editing. At this point, type in the new name you'd like to assign to your event. Renaming your event is a great way to ensure it's more descriptive, clear, and aligned with its purpose. For example, if the original name was too vague or generic, this is your chance to give it a title that better informs attendees about the nature of the meeting. Keep in mind that the name should be concise and informative to make it easy for others to understand at a glance. Once you've entered the new name, take a moment to review it carefully. Check for any typos, errors, or inconsistencies that might have slipped in. Double-checking at this stage helps ensure that the name looks polished and professional before you finalize the changes. When you're happy with the new event name, scroll down to the bottom of the panel and click on the Save Changes button. This step is crucial because it locks in your edits and updates the event name for everyone involved. Without saving, your changes won't take effect. And that's it. You've successfully updated the name of your event in Calendly. Renaming events is a simple yet powerful way to keep your calendar organized and ensure your communication with attendees is as clear as possible. Now you know exactly how to change an event name in Calendly. If you have any questions or want to share how you use Calendly for your scheduling, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.